Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. In today's video you'll get to see how I took my stitch braids from that to this with this very easy but essential tip for beginners. I wouldn't even say tip, I would say hack. So I didn't show y'all the parting because I had struggled recording this video because my phone didn't have a lot of storage, but I'm using the Murray's Edgewax and the Queen Bee braiding hair. And once you have your braid parted off, you're just going to take some of the Murrays all along the side of the braid and just comb it in and smooth it out. And I also use the orange shiner jam to do my parts. But once you have it all smoothed and combed out, you want to part off your stitches. That's the hack. Part the stitches off, because it was so hard for me to grasp the concept of combing out the stitches or parting off the stitches while I braid and then adding the hair. But this way it makes it so much easier. Like, and I saw this on Instagram. I ain't trying to take credit for nobody nothing, because I know how y'all folks be about y'all credit. I saw this on Instagram on my explore page. I don't know the girl name, but I saw it. I'm like, wow, she's smart. But yeah, just part your stitches off before you braid, and I promise it'll save you a world of headaches. So I'm gonna stop running my mouth for now until I got something else to say. But yeah, just keep on watching.
Walk around with them bands and I wish it. This gun ain't gon' jam and I blow, I ain't missing. I grab a neck, she look good, then I kiss it. I'm not a cool, but I fit the description. I'm dropping hit after hit, I'm just chillin', but I seen the hit while I chill with my children. Bigger the business, the bigger the office. I fuck around and found me a scratch and I called up, they call for my artists, they making me offers. I don't even bargain, I start from the bottom. I lost a Ferrari, lost Vegas, Nevada. I woke up the following day and went harder. I'm cracking my shit, now they see that I'm smarter. I gotta get money, I love to get charter. I gave her 4 burgers and 1 sports startup. I can't let them down, walk around with my guard. I'm screaming out YOLO, yeah, that's still the motto. I know I be on some shit that I ain't thought of. Sins, I got sins on my mind and some M's. Got a lot of M's on my mind. Need friends, yeah, I keep my friends on my mind. I'm in love with 2 girls. I want 2 of them in they 10s. That's why I got 10 on my mind. I got M's, got a lot of M's on my mind. And my friends, yeah, I keep my friends on my mind. Should repent, I need me some Jesus in my life. Amen.
So I added this clip in from another YouTuber's channel. I'll leave a link to this video and her channel down below. She has a lot of great tutorials on stitch braids and all other type of videos. But I added this clip in to show y'all how I laid the hair out for the braids, and like about the same size pieces I use. Yeah, this was only my second attempt at doing stitch braids, so I can't give y'all like that many tips because I'm still learning. But this tip, like parting it off, y'all, telling you, game changer. And this, I'm just kind of giving y'all more of a close-up of how I do the parts, and it's a little slower. But as far as how many pieces to add in, because I know that's a question a lot of beginners have, how many pieces to add in, how thick or whatever, you really have to gauge the thickness of your client's hair. Everybody's hair is different. So it's not going to be a set number of pieces to add in for every braid, for every client, because every client don't have the same thickness or density of hair. So you really just going to have to gauge on how thick they want the braid or how thin they want it, or just the style you're going for as far as how much hair to add in. And as far as when to add hair in, once the hair is like the braid is getting thick, you can stop adding hair in until it's like starts thinning out. But learning when to add it in or how much to add in is just going to take a lot of time and practice. And like I said, I'm still learning how to do stitch braids. Like, this was only my second time trying it. I just want to give y'all a close-up of me feeding the hair in. In the previous clips, like when I was sectioning the hair off, you see I like twisted the ends of each stitch. When I go in to add the hair, I like unravel it and split it in half. If that makes sense, I like split the stitch, I'm gonna call it a stitch, the stitch I parted off in half, and then just feed the hair in and braid normally. I hope that makes sense. And if this voiceover is all over the place, it's because it's like 1 o'clock in the morning. I done worked all day and I'm tired, but I had told these people in this braiding group on Facebook that I was gonna have a video up by the weekend, and I can't have them thinking I'm no liar. So it's the weekend and I'm finna have a video up, period. And as you can see towards the end, I was using a comb to do the stitches. I don't know why I didn't pre-part all the way down, but pre-part all the way down, it'll make life a lot easier and it'll save you some time on braiding. And there are no clips of me like braiding the ends of the hair because I knew I was gonna put it in a bun. But if your client wants their hair, they want to wear the hair down, like hanging down, Just keep braiding until the desired length and thickness of the braid, and keep adding hair in until it's thick enough to what they want and long enough for what they want. Simple. So once you're done braiding, you want to do all your little final touches. Add your mousse, smooth it out, wrap it up, dry it, do you some baby hair. I don't have footage of that because my phone kept running out of storage while I was recording. So this is about as good as it gets. You want to dip your braids. I use an electric kettle to dip because it's easy. You can get one from Walmart or Amazon for like $20. They real, what's the word I'm looking for? I don't know, y'all. It's 1 o'clock in the morning. I'm so tired. And if I sound like somebody granddaddy, it's because it's 1 o'clock in the morning, baby. I should be asleep, resting my beautiful voice box. But I'm up recording this video because I can't have people on Facebook thinking I'm a lie. Like, I done told them they was going to get this video, so they finna get it. But this is the final product. I'm very impressed and proud of myself to say that this was my second time trying this hairstyle. And it looks good. It looks wonderful. Client Sophie, this is my sister, so that's why we look alike. But yeah, thank y'all for watching. Subscribe to the channel, watch another video, come back for the next one. Bye.